Hello friends, in this session we will be talking about integral and fractional slotting. Let's begin. Yes, see here, speaking about integral slotting and all, just don't think about it too much. You please tell me what is Q? Q is slots available for distribution and it is given by slots per pole per phase. Am I right? If for instance I have 18 slots, right? If I have 18 slots, I have 2 poles and 3 phases, right? Then for example, then if you see here, how much is Q? Q that you get is going to be 18 divided by 2 divided by 3, which means 2 ones are 2 nines are 3 ones are 3 threes are. So you can say that Q is going to be 3. What is Q? Q will be what? Q. It is going to be what? Slots available for distribution. Slots available for distribution, right? So now let me consider a stator here this way. This is the stator, right? Now, bullseye, so it is stator. Now, if I think of rotor, let me have rotor here, 2 poles. 2 poles only. NF and SF. It's okay, no problem. NF, SF or N1, S1, it's okay. No problem. Doesn't matter to us. For time being, it doesn't matter. Now, see here. Now, you please tell me, since it is 2 pole, I am going to have, if I have A here, I am going to have A dash here. Right? If I have A here, I am going to have A dash here. Right? Similarly, after 120 degrees, if I have B here, I am going to have B dash here. Am I right? Yes. Then again after 120 degrees, I am going to have C here and I am going to have C dash here. This is the way we deal it. Now, you please tell me here. This is interpolar axis, by the way. This is the interpolar axis wherein there is no flux. As of now, in interpolar axis, there is going to be no flux. So, see here. When I say that Q is equal to 3, when I say Q equal to 3, in the sense, slots available for distribution are 3, which means here for this A, I should have 2 more conductors, right? Right, no? So, let me call this as A1, A2, A3. A1, A2, A3. Similarly, here also I am going to have, if this is A1, so this is going to become, or I can say that A1 dash, A2 dash and A3 dash. Right? Similarly, if here is B dash, then here it is going to be B1 dash, B2 dash and B3 dash. Right? Similarly, if this is C, then here I am going to have C1, C2, C3. Right? Similarly, if this is B, then I am going to have B1, B2, B3. Similarly, I am going to have C1 dash, C2 dash, C3 dash. This is the thing. Now, since it is 2 pole, we know that degree electrical is going to be degree mechanical, right? Forget about it. See here. So, if you see, this one belongs to one phase, this belongs to one phase, this belongs to another phase, this belongs to another phase. We have seen that under each pole there has to be all the 3 phases, right? Anyways, forget about it. See here. See here. You please help me with the angles. Help me with the angles in the sense, see here. How much will be the angle from here to here? See here. This total angle is how much? This complete total is going to be 360. This is going to be half of 360. Then, which means this total angle is going to be 180 degrees. If this angle from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, if this angle is 180 degrees, then this angle and this angle and this angle will be how much? 60, 60, 60 degrees, because it is divided by 3 equally. Divided by 3. So this is going to be 60 degrees. What is this 60 degrees? 60 degrees also means that this is called as phase spread. Already we know this is called as phase spread. Means one phase occupying how much of angle? That is nothing but phase spread. So 60, 60, 60. Anyways, forget about that too. See here. When you have, if you see here, this Q equal to 3. This Q equal to 3. What does that indicate? What is this 3? Is it an integer or a fraction? It is an integer. So this is integer. So we say that, now see here, this is integer. So whenever Q is an integer, we have to perform integral slotting. So we have to perform integral slotting. In the sense that you may ask me, sir, but what is the advantage here? Advantage is very simple. What is that? In integral slotting, you can place the stator. You can place the stator conductors. Stator conductors placement is proper. Stator conductor placement is proper here, because see here, when I say that Q equal to 3, which means 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, problem solved. All the 3 slots have been occupied properly, uniformly. So this is about integral slotting, right? Now let us think of fractional slotting. See here. If for example your Q, let us say that Q is 2.5. For example, if your Q comes out to be 2.5, you know that 2.5 is a fraction, right? If it comes out to be a fraction, then in such a case you are supposed to do fractional slotting. Simple thing. If my Q is an integer, it is going to be integral slotting. If my Q is a fraction, it is going to be fractional slotting. Very simple. Now you may ask, sir, but how to do this? How to do 2.5? Means 2.5 distribution in the sense. See here. You have to use 2 full slots and you have to use 1 half slot. In order to in this particular slotting for Q equal to 2.5, if you think of, then you have to use 2 full slots and 1 half slot. Whereas here in integral slotting, if you see, in case of integral slotting, when you say Q equal to 3, which means what? When you say Q equal to 3, in the sense, you have to use all the 3 slots fully, completely. But then you may ask me, sir, yes, we have understood this. We have understood that whenever Q is integer, it is integral slotting. Whenever Q is fraction, it is very fractional slotting. Very simple concept. But what is advantage there? There is one advantage. See here. Here is one advantage. But see here. In practice, if you see, we don't use integral slotting. In practice, we use fractional slotting only. Why? Because there is one advantage. There is one advantage of fractional slotting, and that advantage is what? It reduces vernier torques. Because it reduces vernier torques. What do you mean by vernier torques, sir? This is going to be complete separate discussion. It is out of our scope. You just remember this thing as an engineer, that yes, by doing fractional slotting, Vernier torques are reduced. That's it. That is what you have to remember. Nothing else. Because it is out of our scope. Anyways, now see here, when we talk about Vernier torques, just don't think about that much because that is out of our scope. But if you see here, yes, see here, when Q is a fraction, how do I use that in my formula for KD? See here, formula for KD is how much? Sine Q gamma by 2 upon Q sine gamma by 2. So, while using, see here, if my Q is an integer, directly replace it there, no problem. But if my Q is a fraction, you are not supposed to place it here this way. Why? Because, so if I am not supposed to place it, then how to place it? See, if this is Q, if it is fraction, right? If for example it is 2.5, 2.5 means it is 5 by 2. So the first step you have to do is just replace it in, represent it in terms of x by y. Represent this fraction Q because it is fraction, right? So just represent this Q as x by y. And if you just compare, for this 2.5 it is going to be 5 by 2. If it is 5 by 2, then we know that this x is going to be 5. So here x is going to be 5. Right? So in case of fractional slotting, what are you supposed to do? Represent this Q as x by y, and whatever is the value of x, please replace it in place of Q. Replace it in place of Q in KD formula. Meaning that, see here, in this our example, where 2.5 is represented as 5 by 2, which means x by y, x is equal to 5. So if x is equal to 5, then just replace, see here, sine, let me write the whole thing and then I will. What are we supposed to do? Just replace this Q by x. X is what? Numerator, and here x is equal to 5. So just replace Q by 5. Just replace Q by 5. This is KD. This is how you have to calculate distribution factor for fractional slotting. In case of integer slotting, no problem. Directly you can take the number. Means, in case of integral slotting, if your Q is equal to 3, directly replace it, no problem. But if your Q is a fraction, if it is in case of fractional slotting, then in that case you have to use, represent it in terms of x by y. Whatever is the x, you please replace it in place of Q. This is going to be the integral and fractional slotting. Thank you.